how to hide comments or replies on X post. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can hide comments or replies on Twitter posts. So how do you go about it? The first step is for you to log in into your Twitter account just like I've done here, and then once you're logged in, move to the top left corner, click on your profile icon, and then click on your username to be taken to your profile page. So once you're on your profile page, the next step is to um go to the tweet where you want to hide a comment or a reply. So once you're in the tweet, the next step is for you to select the tweet, then click on your comment page to open up the comment, and then once you've seen the comment, tap the three dots next to the comment or to the reply you want to hide. So for me, I don't have any comments, so I cannot show you vividly, but just pay attention. Okay, so once you have tapped on the three dots next to the comment or reply that you want to hide, choose hide reply from the drop down menu, and then confirm your choice to hide the reply. So that is basically it. This will hide the selected reply from your tweet, but it will still be visible to the person who posted it and their followers. So that means that you can also do this for other posts. Okay, just find your way to the post, click on the comment section, and then go ahead to locate the comments that you would like to hide. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.